Hi everyone, one important group discussion topic for the day is media and public opinion in shaping Indo-Pak war narratives. As we are the proof of that Indo-Pakistan war, and there was a lot of things happened during that time. So how media is playing, what kind of role media is playing at that time to shaping public opinion, or what kind of narratives have been out come out after that post operation, you can say, Sindoor, and post of Indo-Pak war. So here's the important pointers you need to be discussed in your group discussion. Media shapes national sentiments rapidly. Of course, when it comes to nationalism, it spreads like fire. Then of course, sensationalism versus responsible reporting. There are two types of reporting, as you know. Something we need to be make it very cheesy, or you can say very spicy. That is one. And second is the mature reporting. You can say it out. Media influence parliamentary debates. Yes, media gives opinion to the ministers, to the parliament house people, that they can debate over that. Of course, social media and echo chambers are also there, and role of media in peace or provocation. This is versus basically how media is playing responsible role and how it is creating a negative narratives as well, right? If you want to give very keen insight, simple and clear pointers, here as a thing. Post Operation Sindoor, media channels fluid patriotic emotions. Of course, some media outlets prioritize TRPs over facts. They are just gaining TRPs. They are not making us view the actual fact and what happened and what are the important things. And the tone and the narrative in mainstream media often reflect in the parliament. Platforms like Twitter and YouTube create echo chambers. So these are the very important social media platform which is playing very important role in shaping public opinion after post Indo-Pak war basically. Media has a part to either promote mature dialogue, or you can say it out to spread it out unimportant or information. So this is something that media is playing very important role in shaping public opinion related to Indo-Pak war, but that depends that what kind of information we are delivering. Are we delivering the mature information, or we are just doing it for the TRPs or just for to fame and name? So this is about that how media is playing very important role in shaping specifically Indo-Pak war narratives. You can have a look to this documentation. This is covering full of images and very important GD topic. It's easy to learn, easy to remember. So make practice this GD topic in live sessions of your pedia. All the best.